Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about HTML, text editor and the browser. So these are the things you're going to be needing for you to start this course and for you to move on with the course. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So please note that HTML is a markup language and not a program language. HTML is the standard language for creating web pages, and it also describes the structure of the web page. HTML is made up of tags, attributes, and elements. So don't worry about this part. Some of you might be thinking that what is tags, attributes. So when we go deep into the course, when we start coding, then you will understand what I mean by tags, attributes, and elements. So now we're going to be talking about a text editor. Also, what's the text editor? A text editor is any word processing program that you can use to type and edit text. You can write HTML code and create HTML pages with a simple text editor as long as you know the correct syntax. So a text editor is just like just where you write your codes, where you can write and edit your codes. So example of a text editor, like this place I am now, this present page I'm on a text editor presently. So this text editor is called Notepad. So you can see it here. You can actually see it here, Notepad. So examples of text editor, we have Text Wrangler for this. I think this is for people on Mac. We have Notepad for people on Windows. Notepad plus plus, people on Windows can use it. Sublime Text and Bracket. So in the next tutorial I'll be taking you through on how to install, how to set up your text editor. I'll be using Notepad plus plus for example, and maybe Bracket. So for this tutorial, for this course, for you to move on with this course, you also need a browser. So what's a browser? An internet browser, or also known as a web browser or simply browser. Some people just call it browser, some call it a web browser. It's a software program that used to view web pages on your computer. So after creating our web pages, after creating the content with HTML, then writing it on a text editor, you need a browser to display the text. So it is used to retrieve and display content on World Wide Web, including web pages, images, and videos. So that's the function of a browser. So I know you guys will know about it because it's something you guys use almost every day. So example of browsers, we have Mozilla Firefox, we have Google Chrome, we have Microsoft Edge, we have Opera Mini. So it's an example of a browser here. So this is a browser. So this is Google Chrome. I have another one over here. This Firefox. So these are examples of a browser, and this place is an example of a text editor. So in the next tutorial I'll be putting you guys through on how to set up your text editor. So this will be the end of this tutorial. Thank you.